Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to hide the calls menu on the IMO application. So how to hide the calls menu on the IMO application? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, open the IMO app on your Android device. This is the initial screen of the IMO app, and you can see it in the menu section here. Next, tap the profile icon in the top left of the screen. A scrolling menu will appear. Next, tap the Settings menu. Now, you're in the Settings menu. Next, tap the Functions menu. This will appear. Next, tap Show Calls. Next, tap Confirm. You can see that the chat menu is no longer there. So that's it, tutorial on how to hide the calls menu on the IMO application. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. See you in the next video.